Hi guys, this is Pranav Karat and welcome to another episode on Keep It Simple Scene. Today's topic is on my ultimate number game rules for effective B2B lead generation strategies. The numbers for today are 500, 10, 15 and a bonus number combo of 10 plus 5. What are these numbers? Let's figure it out by getting right into the video. Rule 1, the foundation. That is the 500 leads data. Just how important the ingredients are to cooking, that's how important a database is to generating leads. Start off by building your database of about 500 leads. My mentor says that the ICP should be in check, but it need not be overqualified in the initial stage. Get the stuff out of your fridge will decide how and what to cook right after. Rule 2, the momentum, which is 10% growth monthly. Now that you have a solid database, it's time to keep the momentum going. Every month, aim to add 10% more data to your database. This incremental growth might seem small, but over time it compounds into a massive resource of potential clients. Slow and steady will help you win the race in the game of lead generation. Rule 3, the connection, which is 15 monthly appointments. Strive for a goal setting up 15 appointments every month. These connections are the bread and butter of any B2B success. Make sure these 15 appointments forge meaningful relationships, and this will in turn bring you more value, not just on your side, but on the other side as well. Now, hold on. Allow me to reveal my secret bonus technique, the 10 plus 5 strategy. This one, in my opinion, is a game changer strategy. Once you have had or made those 10 calls in a day with potential leads, I would want you to not stop there. Extract an additional 5 phone numbers from your database or any other sources. It's like a ripple effect. This technique is pure gold when it comes to expanding your network. So there you have it, guys, my number game rules for lead generation strategies for B2B. These rules aren't just about numbers. It's about creating a genuine connection and providing value to your potential clients. And that's a wrap, guys. Give me a thumbs up if you like this video. But otherwise, I would really like to thank you for tuning in to my video. And until next time, this is Pranav Karat signing off.